Welcome friends, in this video we will solve problem solving through programming in C week 5 assignment. So let's start it. Our first question, in C language three-way transfer of control is possible using unary operator 1b. And second answer, the loop in which the statement within the loop are executed at least once is called while. And 2C. And the third question, if you run this program you will see the 3C answer, I love C will be printed 3 times. And fourth number question, the output will be while versus do while infinitive times, and it is the answer will be while versus do while infinite times. And question number 5, there is the compile error. Whenever you will run this program you will get compile error. And question number 6, there will be no output, and answer will be 6D. And 7 answer will be C. Then whenever you will run this program you will see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And number 8 question, it will be answer A. The whenever you will run and you will see that this the answer is true. And 9th question answer will be B, 9B, 7 4. And then 10th question will be the answer C. Okay, now we will submit it. You can see here that I have submitted. Now we will solve the question number 1, programming. In the first question it is said that whether the given number is perfect number or not. Just run this code and write this code, and pause the video and write this code. And after writing this code I will compile and run it. You can see here the test case 1 and test case 2 passed. Now I will submit it. See the question 1, test case 1, test case 2 pass. After submit, now we will solve the question number 2. In this question we have to calculate the number of digits. So just write this code, these lines of code, and after pause the video and write this code. Now I will compile it. You can see here the test case 1 and test case 2 passed. Now I will submit it. After submitting the test case 1 and test case 2 passed, now we will solve the third question. In this program we will pass this the n and we will calculate the power of 2. And this is the code, and just pause the video and write this code. And now I will compile it. You can see here the test case 1 and test case 2 passed. Now I will submit it. So after submitting test case 1, test case 2 passed. Now we will go to the question number 4. In this question we have to make this series. So this is the code, and pause this video and write this code. So after writing this I will compile and run. You can see here the test case 1 and test case 2 both passed. Now I will submit it. After submitting you can see the test case 1 and test case 2 passed. Now we will solve the 5th question. This question we have to make this star. So this is the lines of code. Just pause the video and write this code. Now I will compile and run it. After compiling it you can see here the test case 1 and test case 2 passed. Now I will submit it. After submitting you can see here the test case 1, test case 2 passed. So we have done week 5 quiz and assignment successfully. So if you want to get more solution of your code, so I have a Discord server where many of coders are present, and if you post this video not only C programming, C++, Java, Python, HTML, JavaScript, you can see here the many coder has asked question and they got solution as soon as possible. And you can see here the online number of members online, they are also the coder background. So if you have any problem you can ask here. I will give the link from where you can join here. So see you in next video, and if you're new to my channel, then subscribe my channel and don't forget to like this video.